everybody? I'm here today with a video on the Moto G Play smartphone. I'll be showing you and telling you how to insert a SIM card and an SD card in this easy tutorial. Let's get right into the video. So here's the smartphone right here. Now if you look, okay, this is the way that it's normally oriented, as you can see right there. Okay, we have the power and the volume buttons on my right side, but on the left side there are no buttons, but there is this little slot right here, okay, with a little hole right below it. Now what you need is this tool right here that should have come with your smartphone, okay? You're gonna take this tool right here and you're gonna press it into there to pop out the SIM card and micro SD card tray. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna push this in there. As you can see, it's right now, the tray is in there. I'll show you like this. But we're gonna push this in there, okay? And when you push it in there, it's gonna pop out the tray. We're gonna try that one more time. There you go. So I pushed it in there. It shouldn't take much force, right? So the first time I probably had it at a weird angle. It shouldn't take much force. I popped it out of there. So now what I can do is I can pull it out and remove it. And I'm going to make sure that I keep it oriented properly. I'm going to go ahead and lock this, okay? I don't want to do anything with the phone right there unintentionally. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to pull this out just like this. I'm trying to look through the camera screen, so it's really difficult for me to orient my hands properly. So I'm keeping the phone oriented this way, and I'm keeping the tray oriented this way. Now, if you look right here, it says on the tray, let me get it to focus right there, it says face up. And there's actually a little SD logo right there. So basically, for your SIM card and for your micro SD card, you want to have them face up. And you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna sort of plop them on the tray slots right there. So by face up, it means that the metal contacts should be facing the ground if you followed my instructions. The metal contacts should be facing the side of the back of the phone when you put this back in, just to be clear, the back of the Moto G Play smartphone. And on the left here with the SD logo goes the micro SD card, okay? And you can see that like it's shaped so it only goes in one orientation. And then your SIM card goes on the right part of the tray here. Once again, it's shaped so that it only goes in one orientation. Once you've placed your micro SD card and your SIM card on the tray with the metal contacts facing down or facing the back of the phone, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna carefully reinsert that tray just like this. You're gonna reinsert it, and the good thing is you don't need the tool anymore, it just pops back into place. So you're gonna reinsert it, it just slide in nice and smoothly if all your cards are seated properly, and just push it back in like that. And you're done. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.